In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in FigJam. If your eyes feel tired after long whiteboard sessions, switching your FigJam board to a darker look can make a big difference. I'll show you exactly how to turn it on, and then how to quickly adjust the color so it matches your preference. Start by opening the FigJam board you want to use. With your board ready, click the menu at the top of the FigJam window, then head to Plugins. From there, choose Manage Plugins. This is where you can find tools that extend what your board can do. In the list or search bar, look for Free FigJam Dark Mode. When you see it, select it and click Run. The change is instant. Your board switches to a dark theme, giving the canvas a deeper backdrop while keeping your notes, shapes, and connectors clear and readable. Once dark mode is active, you can personalize the color. Double-click on an empty area of the canvas to bring up the quick controls. You'll notice a small lock icon appear near the bottom. That lock is simply there to prevent accidental changes. Click the lock to unlock it. After it's unlocked, you can change to any color you like. Try a soft charcoal for low glare, a slightly warmer gray for a cozier feel, or a subtle hue that complements your content. As you adjust, the canvas updates immediately, so you can judge contrast and readability in real time. Here are a few tips as you dial it in. Keep an eye on text and sticky notes to make sure they still stand out against the background. If they look faint, nudge the background a little lighter or darker until everything feels crisp. Also, if you collaborate with others on the same board, mention that you're using a darker canvas so they choose note colors that stay legible. That's the whole process. You opened your FigJam board, used the menu to go to Plugins, selected Manage Plugins, found Free FigJam Dark Mode, and clicked Run to switch the board to dark. Then after it turned dark, you double-clicked an empty spot, unlocked the lock that appeared below, and changed the canvas to the color you prefer. With that, your board should feel easier on the eyes, especially during long brainstorming sessions, and it'll look the way you want. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working in dark mode in FigJam.